Hello everyone. Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a room in Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Facebook app over here, and next I'll just create a room. And when you tap this little room button, I can choose my room type. And then I can select my room name, who can join the room when it starts, and also I can tweak every one of these various options. Save all of the changes you've made, and now it'll just create that room. And now it'll show your room is active, so you can start sharing that link and also have everyone else join your room. So when you want to delete or end a room that you've already created, you can just tap on these three dots up top, and then you can select End Room for everyone right over here. And it will simply delete that room you created, so you will no longer have that room. So one thing that I highly suggest is heading to your profile and seeing whether it has a post, because sometimes it will post on your timeline that you launched a room and you just might not want that post to be on your timeline. So look at that and delete it if it has a post on your timeline, but that's about it. This is how you delete or end a Facebook room. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel.